Hello children, welcome to all for class 5th social study semester 2nd chapter 1, that is natural disasters. So today lesson is children natural disasters, that is the lesson name. In this lesson we are going to study about the main topics of in this lesson children. The first main topic is water natural disasters. Water natural disasters, and after that what are the types of natural disasters, and after that what are the main effect of natural disasters. So these are the main topic we are going to discuss children in this chapter. Now let us discuss the first topic, the meaning of water natural disasters. So before going to the topic, we have to understand, so what is the meaning of disasters children. So disaster, another meaning of disaster is calamity children. Calamity is nothing but disaster. So both are same. Disasters means calamities, disaster means calamity. So both are same. That means another meaning, if you think another meaning is tragedy, that is tragedy, another meaning. So this is the meaning of the disaster children, disaster. And so what the exact meaning of this disaster children? It is a disaster is nothing but it is the something that happens suddenly, something that happens suddenly and causes much suffering of people life, or they damage the property, damage the building, losses the property. So that is the meaning children, that is the meaning of disaster. I repeat once again, something that happens suddenly and causes much suffering. So that is the meaning, causes much suffering of people life or property, loss of property. So that is the meaning of calamity or disaster children. So remember this. Now let us go next topic, that is water natural disasters. Water natural disasters children. Children, you may have seen some natural disasters in your surroundings. They are like earthquake, floods, and tsunami. So like this, they are called as a natural disasters. So now let us understand what is the definition, what is the meaning, what are natural disasters. Children, here it is a major natural disaster is a major event caused by natural process of the earth. That means it is a major event that is caused by natural process. That means natural process means it may be the environmental factors. It may be any environmental factors such as overpopulation, pollutants, and what are the other environmental factors like temperature, variation of the temperature. So due to this they are occurring, due to these reasons why the natural disasters are occurring, due to the various temperature, the environmental factors I told you. So that's why these are occurring by naturally, and these are occurring suddenly without any intimation, without any warning, and they causes much suffering of people life. So these are very dangerous and these are very powerful event. It is very difficult to control human because they are occurring by naturally and without any intimation. So that's why they are called as a natural disasters children. So remember this, that's why they are called as a natural disasters. And there are many kinds of the natural disasters are there. For example, you can see children here, there are many kinds of the natural disasters. They are mainly for example, earthquake, flood, landslide, volcanoes, tsunami, tornado, avalanche. So these are the main some natural disasters children. These are the common some, and apart from this there are many others are there, and these are we will discuss in detail in next second topic, that is types of the natural disasters. We will discuss in detail, but now we will know what is the at least meaning. What is, already you know some disaster meaning. Now what is earthquake, children? You already, it is common, it is one of the common natural disaster. You know already the earthquake, children. So what is earthquake here? Earthquake is nothing but it is the shaking of earth surface. You know, children, shaking of the earth surface, and it can be extremely violent, it can be extremely powerful, and it causes much effect, much suffering of the people life. Earthquake, that is earthquake, children. We will discuss in detail in next topic, children. Detail about the earthquake, it is given in the textbook. We will discuss in next topic also one by one. But now only we will know only the meaning of each one natural disasters. Now second one, it is flood, children. Flood, you know already. Flood also one of the natural disaster. Why flood occurring? Due to it can occur when level of the river water increase due to heavy rainfall. Level of the river water increase due to heavy rainfall. Now you may have seen in your surrounding area. Now presently you already seeing the situation in our country India, in every state, every district, you can see the problem of flood because of heavy rainfall. So what is the meaning of flood, children? The flood is nothing but it is an overflow of water that submerges the land, that is usually dry land. Overflow of river water. Why the river water is overflowing? Due to the heavy rainfall. If rain is more, then the rivers are full and that overflowing. So that's why the flood occurring, children. This is the reason. And next one, landslide. Landslide, you know, children. So what is a landslide? It is a collapse of landmass or movement of rock on the earth's surface. The collapse of landmass means that may be rock or soil that is falling down into high area to low area due to the wind or rain. So that is a landslide, children, and that is collapse of landmass, or it is a movement of rock or debris into down section of the land. That is a landslide, children. And next one, that is volcanoes. So what is volcanoes, children? It is an opening in the earth crust. It is the opening in the earth crust through which lava, the volcanic ash, and some gases escape. That means some toxic gases, lava means it is a liquid, lava liquid, and some toxic gases and volcanic ash are escaping from the earth. So that is called as a volcano, children. They are called as a volcanoes. During the time of these are materials coming outside from the earth surface. So they are called as that process is known as a volcanoes, children. And next one is tsunami, children. So this one also one of the natural disaster. It is very danger. It is a tsunami is nothing but the earthquake under the sea. Earthquake under the sea is nothing but tsunami, children. It is very simple. Otherwise you can say it is a series of large ocean waves. It is a series of large ocean waves caused by an underwater earthquake. I repeat once again, it is a series of large ocean waves caused by an underwater earthquake. So this is the meaning of tsunami, children. And next one is tornado. So what is tornado? Tornado is nothing but, children, it is a powerful or violent rotating column of air. So air is rotating like this. Air is rotating and powerful and causes much suffering of people life. So that is a tornado, children. We will discuss in detail next topic, next class in detail of each one natural disaster, children. And another one is that is avalanche. So what is avalanche, children? Avalanche is nothing but it is a mass of snow that slides fast down an inclined slope. It is a mass of, it is a amount of snow. Snow means, you know, where is available snow? In the mountain area. The avalanche always most of the time occurring in the mountain side, children, because where is snow is there. Snow is nothing but group of the loose connected ice crystal. Group of the loose connected ice crystal is called as a snow. That snow is falling from high area to low area due to the which purpose? Due to wind, due to rain, and any other purpose, any other temperature purpose. The snow is falling down into inclined slope. That means it is a low area. It is down into the high area into low area. So that is called as a avalanche, children. That process. So these are the some main examples of natural disasters, children. These are, and next class we will discuss in detail one by one the detail of one by one natural disasters. The first one is according to in our textbook. The first one natural disaster is avalanche, children. The first one is avalanche. That is we will discuss in our next class. And before finishing the today topic, you have to take today homework question of today topic, children. Homework question of today topic, that is what do you mean by natural disasters? Now write down homework question of today topic, children. That is what do you mean by natural disasters? All of you copy this question.